All right, welcome to Fishing and Adventure Tales by Alec. Today we're going to be doing a series of unboxings and product reviews. Right now we're looking at a Benchmade, as you can see here, it's the Redoubt Tactical Everyday Knife for EDC, manual open. I have several Benchmade knives. I have a lot of knives. Always in the market for good quality made, USA made knives. So when I saw this online and I had a 20% discount online coupon, I grabbed it. So let's see what we got here. So it comes with a little pouch. We take this out of the pouch here. All right, so we're going to go through this knife, the Redoubt in Ranger Green by Benchmade. All right, we're going to go through the specs. This is an amazing EDC knife. Okay, I like the grips and where they are placed so that the knife feels very, very stable in my hand. Okay, this is just, it has a really good, really nice pocket clip that's discreet and black. So let's go through everything here. Let's first open up the blade. Okay, we open up the blade and the first thing we see is the Benchmade trademark butterfly. It is a tanto blade style. This shape is easily identified by the angular lines. The knife edge is flat and transitions with a hard break in the angle from the tip to the primary edge. So this is a really great tanto blade. Okay, the blade steel, what the blade is made out of, is a high carbon, high chromium tool steel, providing incredible strength and edge retention, better than 440C and 154 cm. However, it has a little less toughness and corrosion resistance than other those alloys. But keeping the knife sharp and well maintained and clean should not be an issue. It is a tool steel, and this will maintain its edge for life. One of the things that attracted to me very much to this knife is the handle. The handle is their trademark grivery. It's a glass-filled thermoplastic composite known for being extremely light. It's really light, I have to tell you, and durable. It's widely used for automotive, industrial, and aerospace applications. It has a great grip, really light to hold, and I have to say it looks really friggin' cool. Okay, and the other thing I really love about it is the opening action. It's manual, meaning it must be open 100% from the closed position to the open by the user. So it just really, you flip it open. Okay, you can really flip it open much faster. Closing it it's in the lock position, and close it's easy. Flip it open with one hand. Okay, you can do it a lot quicker with wrist action, but obviously I'm doing this on camera and I don't have the freedom of movement that I would have if I was whipping this out from my pocket and using it in a tactical situation. So all all Benchmade knives come with a lifetime warranty. I have several, like I've said earlier. It has the pocket clip, which makes this very discreet, particularly with the coloration of it here. So this is just an awesome everyday carry knife with this gray and forest green, and there's really nothing you can do better than get an American-made EDC pocket knife, and I highly recommend this knife.